Hey guys, thanks for watching the new episode. I hope you enjoyed it. It was called
Snappo!
and it was so much fun to film. This guy, I was with him all week.
Yeah, it was really good to fight him. I've been waiting this entire season. So, but this time we got covered in paint.
Which was so much fun.
Yeah. They mix it's like edible.
You don't want to eat it.
You really don't want to eat it.
I don't know if you tasted it during the fight when we did it, but like when you dunked me in the pan and I got some in my mouth and I was just like, it tasted like cornstarch. Like if you can imagine just tasting cornstarch.
In your eyes, in your nose, in your ears. And yeah, you know, we do it because we love it.
It was so much fun, basically, and like, I don't know, like we ended up having to be covered in paint and like they had to dry us with blow dryers afterwards for the next scene.
Yeah, it was like I had grease back hair, but it was all paint.
Yeah.
It looked like I had red dyed in my hair.
Yeah, pretty much. And how long did we rehearse that fight for?
Days.
Hours. Like hours.
On hours.
And then they change it. Like,
and we only got one take.
Yeah, we only had one take to do that fight scene because of all the paint. They're like, well, we can't do it again, like wardrobe and all this. Like,
I've always wondered what it was like to get slimed. Guessing it's like
yeah, it was kind of slimy. Yeah,
it was a lot like that.
I really want one of those Boeing paintings too.
Yeah, and Boeing is a very talented painter.
Amazingly talented painter. Yeah, so basically that was what it was like filming Snappo.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. We love you.
High fives. Boom.